When I'm looking at this next problem, I'm really going to ask myself a question, and it's not the question that's been presented. So they're telling me about a tourist who's at an observation deck. She's parked she's at an observation block that's a total of 7 blocks away from her car. So she's at this observation deck and she kind of wants to see if she can see her car. So what I'm going to ask is, what is the highest point where she can still see over a building? So if she's up at this observation deck that's 400 feet up and her car's all the way out here, if we have a building, this is 2 blocks and 5 blocks, and she wants to see over to her car, what's the highest point that building can be? That's really what this question is asking. How high can some building be where her line of sight can still be over it? So here I see 2 triangles to look at. I want to know the height of this building. I know the height of the one she's at. So I have where she's standing to seeing her car. So that's 400 meters high. And we'll have 7 blocks away from it. And then we have the building she wants to see over. And I don't know how tall it is, but I know that it is 5 blocks from her car. Then I'm going to use highlighters to match those corresponding parts. So the height of the 2 buildings and the number of blocks from the car. And I'm going to use those highlighters to help me set out my proportion. So I have 400 over x is equal to 7 over 5. And now I'm going to cross multiply. I get 7x is equal to 5 times 400. 7x is equal to 2,000. That leaves me with x equal to 285.7. So now I know the highest building that she can still see over is 285.7 feet tall. So she can see over something that's 285.7 feet tall, but no taller than that. The building she's trying to see over is 320 feet tall. So because that 320 feet is higher than the 285.7 feet that she would be able to see over, she cannot see her car. So the answer to this question would be no.